According to information published by September 12, 2024, China's latest aircraft carrier, the Fujian, is currently undergoing intensive sea trials. Fujian is equipped with technologies, including an electromagnetic catapult system, which enhances its ability to launch heavier aircraft, such as the G-15 fighter, as well as lighter unmanned aerial vehicles. The EM catapult represents a technological leap from the ski jump ramps used on China's earlier carriers, Liaoning and Shandong, which limited the operational capacity of onboard aircraft. Unlike these Soviet-era designs, Fujian's catapult enables the launch of larger planes like the KJ-600 airborne early warning and control aircraft. This boosts China's surveillance and operational range over its previous carriers, which were restricted to lighter loads and shorter missions. Despite these advancements, Fujian remains behind the U.S. Navy's Nimitz and Gerald R. Ford-class carriers, which possess nuclear propulsion, allowing them to operate for extended periods without refueling. Fujian, weighing in at over 80,000 tons, falls short of the U.S. carrier's 100,000-ton displacement. Additionally, it operates with 3 launch catapults, compared to 4 on the Gerald R. Ford, which may limit its sortie rates during high-intensity operations. China's decision to stick with conventional propulsion may suggest a regional rather than global focus, particularly in the Western Pacific. The country appears to prioritize quicker shipbuilding cycles to meet its strategic needs in areas like the South China Sea, where it asserts territorial claims under the controversial 9-dash line. The Chinese Navy's ongoing expansion aims to field 6 carriers by 2035, positioning the country as a dominant regional power with global aspirations. The addition of the 4th Type 004 carrier, reportedly under construction and potentially featuring nuclear propulsion, could extend China's operational reach into distant waters, such as the Indian Ocean, and potentially beyond.